In this video, I'm about to tell you about centralized exchanges and why you should stay away from them if you can. In one of my recent videos, I talked about how Celsius had stopped all withdrawals and transactions on their network, which was a centralized exchange. Now we see Voyager making somewhat of the same announcement, and that's one of the dangers of centralized exchanges. So long story short, centralization gives people the ability to play with your money. So if you want to cut out the middleman, don't let people play with your money, all you have to do is move over to decentralized finance, where the transactions are peer-to-peer, right? And all the money comes from a liquidity pool. And they also don't KYC, know your customer, ask for your ID and all those types of things. Which could be another problem because there's rumors going around right now that Coinbase is selling people's data. Centralized exchanges are responsible for onboarding a lot of people into the crypto space. So it sucks that the people caught up on these centralized exchanges don't have full control over their assets and their information. But crypto isn't the first place that we've seen these type of things go down. It's been happening in banking. It's been happening on social media. It's been happening on these stock exchanges. However, the people that aren't being scared off by these things that are going on right now are getting forced to move more into decentralization, which is actually good for the crypto space because that was the ultimate goal from the beginning. Leave your thoughts on this in the comments. Peace.